Hello student, today we are going to start with lesson number 7, Environmental Changes, Social Science, Standard 8. The air that envelops means to cover the earth from all sides is known as atmosphere. The atmosphere is getting polluted. Polluted means getting dirty due to human activities, that is due to industries, factories, power stations and vehicles. Now, the changes that occur in temperature, direction of wind, moisture, etc. due to global warming. Global warming means climate change are known as environmental changes. What is weather? At any places, the condition of temperature, rain and moisture, that is humidity, for a particular point of time is known as weather. What is climate? For more than 35 years, the average condition of rain, temperature and moisture is known as climate. Next, greenhouse farming. Now, there are some countries with a cold climate which receives less heat from the sun, because of which the growth of plants and vegetables are also affected. Hence, arrangements are made to collect sufficient amount of heat from the sun. And for that, roof is made of glass or cloth to allow the heat of the sun rays go inside the building, and this method is known as the greenhouse farming. Changing climate. The above pictures shows the changing climate. What is global warming? Due to the greenhouse gases, unequal and continuous rise in the average temperature of Earth's climate system is known as global warming. It occurs when certain gases in the atmosphere catch electromagnetic radiation, UV rays, that is ultraviolet rays. This effect makes the planet warmer, which subsequently reaches to global warming. News from newspaper. Number 1, heat experienced in West Europe with average increase of 5 degrees centigrade in the temperature. Next, the temperature in Darjeeling was 14 degrees centigrade, which reached to 28 degrees centigrade in 2009 CE. Next, in 2005 CE, Mumbai received 942 ml of rains in one day. Next, in 2005 CE, temperature increased in Australia. Next, Sundarban is overflowed. Next, there is cut of 5 kilometers in Khumbu, and there is river of snow in Nepal. Next, the area of 3,250 square kilometers was covered with ice, was melted within 35 days in Antarctica. Next, the places where water was available are drying up now. These are the news from the newspaper. How does the earth get heated? The greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, that is CFC, and halocarbons play an active role in the greenhouse effect. So the increase in the proportion of these gases leads to the problem of global warming and climate change. Next, in last 100 years, the temperature had increased by 0.6 degrees centigrade. Next, in 100 years ago, the amount of CO2 was 275 ppm. Today it is 350 ppm. ppm means part per million. For example, 280 ppm is equal to 0.28%. Methane, whose chemical property is CH4. In the year 1750, the methane proportion was 315 ppm, which increased to 1764 ppm in the year 2005 because of the following reasons. Number 1, exhaling of animals and metabolism process means exhaling and inhaling process of animals release 14 crore ton of methane. Number 2, paddy cultivation means growing of rice release 15 crore ton of methane. Number 3, decomposition of the biodegradable waste means decaying of the waste material release 7 crore ton of methane. Now, nitrous oxide. At present, the proportion of nitrous oxide has increased to 319 ppm from 270 ppm. Next, chlorofluorocarbon, that is CFC. The increase in the CFC is because of the use of foam, plastic, refrigerators, AC, circuit, aerosol, spray, etc. Now, effect of global warming. We can see changes in the growth and development of the vegetation. Some of the types of birds are not seen now, like sparrow and vulture. 200 ices of Himalayas have melted due to global warming. These are some more effects of global warming. Number 1, due to global warming, the natural calamities like flood, famine, cyclone, excessive rain means too much of rain have increased in the last 10 years. Point number 2. Before, the places which was receiving more rainfall are now receiving less rainfall. Places like Rajasthan and Dubai receiving heavy rain and Cherrapunji receiving less rainfall, which is almost opposite. Point number 3. Now, due to global warming, the growth of pulses is less. Point number 4. Even the groundwater is decreasing. Point number 5. The water level in ocean have increased due to melting of ice. Point number 6. Due to the increase in temperature, human beings fall sick. Point number 7. Because of global warming, there will be change in the cycle of seasons, that is, features of summer and winter season will change. Point number 8. Due to increase in the sea level up to 25 centimeter, the salt of the soil in Gujarat will also increase. Point number 9. Agricultural production had reduced. The repetition of diseases like cholera, dengue, malaria, yellow fever, swine flu, etc. had also increased due to global warming. Point number 10. Due to flood, the areas near the coast of Maldives, Bangladesh, Philippines, West Indies and Australia had gone under water. Point number 11. It is said by the institution named Greenpeace that nearly 55 lakh people living in Gujarat will move to other places in the year 2100 CE. Point number 12. Due to global warming, there is no fragrance in the flowers and beehives are also disappearing. These are the few effects of global warming. Non-conventional sources of energy are solar energy, wind energy, biomass, tidal energy. Measures of prevent global warming. Point number 1. The things should be used less from which CO2 comes out. Point number 2. We should take care of forest and grow more trees. Point number 3. Growing more trees will help to reduce carbon dioxide. Point number 4. Do not use plastics. Point number 5. Best to use manure means dung and pesticides means insecticides. Point number 6. Farming should be done by the use of green manure and cattle manure. Point number 7. In the food, biotics should be added for animals. Point number 8. Best to use household devices. Point number 9. Means of transport should be used properly. Point number 10. Growth of human population should be checked. Point number 11. Buildings should be designed in such a way that enough light and air can pass in so that we can save electricity. Point number 12. Increase the reuse of papers. Point number 13. We should grow more and more plants and trees around our house. Point number 14. Make best use of things which we get from nature. Point number 15. Use the vehicles running with petroleum in emergency only. Point number 16. Water should be used carefully. Point number 17. Collect the rainwater. Point number 18. We should increase the use of CNG and non-conventional source of energy like solar energy, wind energy, etc. These are the few measures of preventing global warming. Global policy to protect environment. On seeing that human activities are the reason for the spoiling the environment, many countries of the world met at Stockholm, the capital of Sweden, in 1972 to find a way for the protection of the environment. After that, another meeting held at Rio de Janeiro, which is in Brazil. In the year 2009, the meeting was held at Copenhagen, which is the capital city of Denmark, to discuss about global warming. It was noticed that the developed nations were not accepting the technique to reduce the release of greenhouse gases, and the developing nations were increasing pressure for the reducing of release of greenhouse gases. It was decided to give help of $100 billion for the development of developing nation. Now, in this meeting, 59 research papers from 45 countries were presented, and through it, the leaders of the world were made to think seriously regarding the changing climate, that is global warming. It was said that on an average, a citizen in the world emits means release 4.5 metric ton carbon dioxide, that is CO2, and Indian citizen release 1.2 metric ton carbon dioxide. Other developing nations released much more less carbon dioxide gas. It is said that large amount of concession means allowance grant should be given for development, and more restriction means limitation should be imposed means forced on the countries like the USA. As an average American release 20.6 metric ton carbon dioxide, that is CO2. So there was the global policy to protect environment from the global warming, changing climate. So here we have completed our chapter environmental changes. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.